Imagine you are standing in a crowded room, screaming at the top of your lungs, yet everyone is looking past you as if you are made of glass. You are talking, you are helping, you are giving your heart, your money, and your time, but to them, you are just background noise. You are the protagonist of a story where you are being treated like an extra. This is the moment you realize that your presence has become a curse because it is guaranteed. You are watching this because you are tired of being the man who waits for a text that never comes, the man who is always available but never chosen, and the man who loves so much that he has become a burden to the very person he wants to protect. You feel the coldness in her eyes, that silent shift where her respect for you evaporated, leaving only a hollow pity that burns worse than hate. You are currently a level 1 player in a world of high-level predators, and the reason you are losing is that you have broken the most sacred law of the universe. Anything that is seen every day, touched every day, and possessed every day loses its value until it becomes worthless. Think about the air you breathe. It is the most vital element for your survival, yet you never thank it, you never admire it, and you never fear losing it until you are drowning. By being too available, you have become the air, necessary but ignored. But today, the system is changing. Today, I am giving you the key to the scarcity principle, the only mechanism that can force a human heart to realize your worth by experiencing your absence. We are beginning the process of your disappearance. As you hear my voice, you are entering the shadow realm of your own life, the place where the ghost is born. You must understand that the human brain is biologically wired to ignore the abundant and obsess over the scarce. When you are always there, you are a predictable outcome, and the brain hates predictability. It stops seeking you because there is no mystery to solve, no mountain to climb, and no prize to win. You have made yourself a participation trophy in a world that only rewards the gold medal. The storytelling of your life up to this point has been a tragedy of overinvestment, where you poured your soul into a vessel that was already full of its own ego. You thought that if you just stayed a little longer, if you just sent one more long message explaining your pain, if you just waited outside the church or the school one more time, she would finally see the king inside you. But all she saw was a shadow clinging to her heels. This is the psychological truth that stings. You cannot be a king to someone who sees you as a servant. To break this illusion, you must vanish. Not for a day, not for a week, but until the very memory of your face becomes a source of anxiety for those who took you for granted. This is the solo leveling of the soul. You are entering a dungeon where you will face your greatest fear, the fear of being forgotten, and you will kill that fear until it becomes your greatest strength. The moment you stop replying, the moment you stop showing up to the places where you are expected, a vacuum begins to form. In physics and in psychology, nature hates a vacuum. For the first few days, they will feel a sense of relief, thinking the noise has finally stopped. But as the silence stretches into weeks, that relief turns into curiosity, and curiosity turns into a frantic, scratching hunger. They will check their phone, looking for the notification they used to ignore. They will look at the street corner where you used to wait, and for the first time, the empty space will feel heavy. This is where you regain your respect, not through words, but through the violent subtraction of your energy. You are moving from the known to the unknown, and in the dark psychology of the human mind, the unknown is the only thing that creates fear. And fear, my friend, is the cousin of respect. You see, the person you love has been feeding on your attention while you have been starving for theirs. You have been the source of their power, the battery that kept their ego running while your own was dying. By disappearing, you are cutting the power line. You are forcing them to face the cold world without your warmth. While they are wondering where you went, you must be in your own secret chamber, rebuilding your empire. You are not just hiding, you are leveling up. You are fixing your finances, you are sculpting your body, you are mastering your language, and you are becoming the version of yourself that doesn't need the validation to breathe. This is the ultimate paradox. The only way to make someone realize how much they need you is to show them that you don't need them at all. Every time you feel the urge to reach out, remember the feeling of being invisible. Remember the cold truth that being a good man is not enough if you are not a respected man. A good man who is always available is a doormat. A good man who is scarce is a legend. You are watching this because you want to be the legend. You want the system to grant you the power to walk away and never look back. Because when you finally return, if you choose to return at all, you will not be the same person who left. You will be the man who has integrated his shadow, the man who knows that his time is a luxury that no one is entitled to. You will walk with the weight of a king, and they will look at you with the wide-eyed realization that they almost lost something they can never replace. This is the end of the era of the two available. This is the death of the man who begged for love. As this video ends, your new life begins. You are now entering the phase of total scarcity. No more explanations. No more 3,000 word please. Just the cold, beautiful silence of a man who has finally found his own value in the dark. You are modest authentic. You are the master of your own presence and the commander of your own absence. Subscribe to the silence. Leave a comment that says I have vanished, so the world knows a new power has been born today. Watch this until the words are your blood. Then, turn off the screen and disappear into your greatness.